Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider.
All right, this is little DIY Dark Matter. You know Dark.
I know Dark. I'm subscribed to him, watch his videos.
Well, he's getting to go on a little trip. He's been hanging out with us. He went to Branson with us.
Yeah.
Got to see where the magic happens. And he's ready to go and go on a different adventure.
Awesome.
So I figured Rex would be the perfect person to have him go with.
Yeah, since I'm all over the freaking place anyway.
So
what's the rules about him going with me? I just got to take pictures, do videos, or what?
take pictures and do videos.
Okay. And this is called Dark Matter. Is that his name? DYI Dark Matter?
Little Dark Matter.
Little Dark Matter. Okay. Little Dark Matter. The gnome is coming with me.
Yeah, put him on Instagram, put him on YouTube.
I certainly will. I love you, Dark.
He is breakable.
Oh, he is breakable. I will not let you get broken. I swear. All right. Yeah, Little Dark.
Little Dark.
Link will be down below. Check out Little Dark.
Link will be below.
Yeah. What are you doing back there, Papa?
Watching.
Papa. All right. Well, I'm going to take my first picture. Right there. The first picture of Dark. All right. There. All right. Woohoo. Well, guys, it's been awesome.
Yes, it has.
Yes, it has.
And had a great time. Thanks for everything. Get rid of that hand, man. Oh, love you guys. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hit us
Be
up if you're
careful.
going through Shreveport.
Yeah, I will.
Be careful on
Later,
the
Papa.
road.
I'll see you later. Man, you're awesome. I don't care what they say. Dark's going in the trailer.
Are you gonna
Lone Star